Namaskar, this is Ranjit Jha from Ruraj Financials. Today I'll talk about NRI investment in India. What India can offer to NRI and how it can be structured. India is amongst the fastest GDP growing country. The working population here, which is amongst the highest percentage youngest population in entire world. More than 50% is in the age bracket from 15 to 45, which is the working population. What will happen if this population starts working and if they start spending the money? They'll go and buy two-wheeler, four-wheelers, they'll purchase house, they'll spend on luxury, they'll go to mall, they'll buy air conditioner, they'll buy fancy televisions. So the entire activity will indirectly or directly they'll push up the demand and also increase the GDP to a large proportion. What will happen then? If GDP will go up, then certainly stock markets will go up, land prices will go up, and also the other asset class will start performing. Now, if I talk about opportunity in the startup world, India has produced the maximum number of unicorns in the world, amongst the highest number of unicorns in the world. We have seen companies like Paytm, we have seen companies like Oyo Rooms, we have seen companies like Mu Sigma, companies like Revigo, Khatabook. They've all done phenomenally well. And this has only happened in last 5 to 7 years. Now, if I talk about what is lying in terms of opportunity in India in next 8 to 10 years is the technology revolution or the startup revolution which is happening in India will completely change the ball game for the existing players. And this is mainly driven by technology. We have seen technology boom from the companies like Infosys, companies like TCS. They have done wonders. And I believe that these startups, some of them will also do wonders. So, from the non-resident perspective, there are good opportunities in listed companies, also in unlisted companies. So, if I talk about what has India delivered, companies like Reliance Industries, companies like Tata Consultancy Services, Bajaj Finance, Symphony, they have all done well. They have given returns to the tune of 25 to 30% compounded annual growth rate for last 10 to 15 years. So this is what the brief structure of the opportunity in India. Now talking about what Ruraj Financials brings to the table and how it can make a difference to set up an NRI account. We at Ruraj Financial comes with a collective experience of over 50 years. We understand how to onboard customer, we understand how to mitigate the taxation and other issues. We help the customer right from the point of getting a PAN card, opening a bank account, opening a demat account, getting the best proposition, also helping in terms of what product mix the investor should invest, where to invest. And this is all done in a very transparent and integrated way, so that customer is aware what is happening in the investments. We not only help in terms of getting to a point where customer starts investing, but we also help them to nurture those investments. Some of the investment, might do very well in long term. We nurture that investment by giving right advice or presenting them opportunity where the assets can be reallocated. We also understand how that sometimes there is a change of policy, sometimes there is a change in taxation rate. So how to mitigate that within the framework of the existing investment. And this is what makes us very different from the existing players. The very appealing point at Ruraj Financials is that we understand the nitty-gritty of the entire framework, right from Reserve Bank of India approval to the income tax, to the SEBI, We understand everything because we have spent a lot of time servicing NRI investment. So Ruraj Financial assures you that we provide you with the best opportunity and help the investor to find and grow their investment. Thank you from Ruraj Financials. Season's greeting.